Erinda bantiwe. That one.
Sister Charity, ladies and gentlemen, what you know, from the beginning of the show, unaza kubana to gitaho, and she is already here. Kesho ngoromaka horichiriza omuntu, yerindo omuntu. I don't know why. Konkani manya ovani yabire target yawe. Akakesho ngoro wa kuchira na TikTok challenge zikine abinji bakabari abinji barukweta bakadama ningashi ba sisters bitu na ba brothers bitu abariyo nibarunda sente mu diaspora so tingo manyo vani yabire target ningiyo kakatera general.
No, I generalized. But majorly noza kushangoshanga ekeshongoro ubu wakeshongora yobo ine feeling yawe then uza kushangoshanga hinabu cyakwata mutima. But at the end of the day niye kubera target kugira ngo at least kigire obucyatambira kigire obucyakwataho kigire ucijusya kigire ucyashomesa mbwena hagire wagire kiyihamu obundi hakagiro wahonoka ohira kugira ngo bakadama bakafite feeling barebe twirembe babaho konkana batwire babasyaho nabo bakaka feeling wajya bataraga
bayitero mutima
so mentally they were my target.
Okay,
yes,
kali to stand chiro mjiya munene sere so anyway Sister Charity
namse banyirire banzira ngo mukindire ho nanye nije ndire
umukoperezo anyways mami namse ari batureba TV West
nimbara musi aho basebona abanyabo ninjira ntumurire mutokwe akajura kabasyahi mazimagara nguna namara kire ntabarebere nimwe mutandebere konka bojo banje bandeta. Thank you very much. Kandi ni manyangu ahumuri ruhangari inzire ni manyangu ebintu tibyangu as such konko takagira ngo niwo wenka nanye no boko rancinjireho ebintu basa kwa bitanguhi so twena tukwatere hamwe kandi nsimo kugira ngo ndi aha umwabazi yogo ukuganiraho n'imbuzo.
Okay, nonga Sister Charity banzo kurusyo mojo bitakivurungu gwaho shukrani
omojo guntwire ni mukurusya akonkanya ndakukurusyo mishoga abantu we barokoreka amani we barokoreka courage we barokoreka okadro tumgeno ogunwe MC Shukran omutwira numureba nakwata buzindaro nabuhuba nakatambika higuruka nagarika nakakwata so hati ni Janka Shukran muri nkahi mwije twegezemu mwije tuganire mwije hati time era beruhe mpango ne kuberge yanje you know always tuza aha stage no gukora ho kaci koraho kace abo kugira ngo ntahine binde bwa bitebekana sigwiza abandi yarutare ryawe konki izobere akatoreka it is him akatwereze cyihuro cye twakireba twashemererwa abizire. We thank you very very much kandi no murundo guru kwija nagwembe present kuruka yo mojo waje
agarga n'izina ikicundi cya ankore
nyonka ntinde mwana kakahiga nashanga yowa
eno Sister Charity ibintu binji bize nibaho go mwaka nishikankana kutaya iseho and we were so happy
true
to enka abari mu entertainment industry but even people that have been following you and nawe mbakurikiriza ababire bakunda music yawe na nabari kujikunda when we had you are going to have a big major concert this very year. We were all over the moon over hamwe ninjuska tukakora story literally every day kuja. We are so happy Sister Charity finally something is coming her way.
Out of the gambere nyowe nkabandi ready nyowe kanwa kagamba nkabandi ready nkana mte nesimu na mujyango
Charity Uganda aha is a view our Christian saloon you are like sister nyowe tura ngukore tona
nkandi ready up to now I'm still ready anytime I know toka manyanye chake nchwasa kubaho akuba na burya kuratabona yari I'm ready oba tujiteka guru oba tujiteka nkai niza kuvuga mashita niza tenga kuzira motoka niza kujipangisa niza for 2 good days izo rero akatano shero rwa mukaga ngaruke sana
abandaganise muri binji
azo obarera abantu mahinduka mebirebi
I know
namwe naro mwesho kwenda kumugamba.
I'm talking from experience I know.
So Charity what really went down, what really happened, because it storafu ni reason yona ninga she ka public notice kugira ngo ekinanechi but what really happened, if you can really break it down for us.
Yeah, this is what went wrong. Nomanya before my show the same promoter we yabire naza kora show ya Weasel so tukatiyom system twembi. If you can remember very well, it was at his very show obwaranjira next will be Sister Charity here in Kampala. Konkom process somo actually akahandika yajata nacemereza bwenshonga nanka konkom process somo ninja hakagira ngo bitetegerezangana na n'uyabira kozira na wakirako hija habaho na nortara hagati yabo tinkachireka bo kamukakireba social media. So he was like Charity akiraka ninja ngutube twemerize ahabo kuba hinebi nabanza kuzama. So he could not run two animals at the same time.
Kandi very negative.
So yagira tereka mbanze ntebekana sechi, then you will be next. Echukuru banza o share pressure. Manze nagira hinachagaza, then I will come back for you. So njo chabireho basebo nabanya.
So then after you man no ochigine like regardless no yakwatagachire on board, are we still having something in Inga for now?
Kurugenyi mankanta kachijiziri ngo yabe yacereta ahurire konga hatumbaja nko kuba kuterera ino rangara nkarebye naho biri nareba bakwasa kutamani nareba audience fans okuba bire nba appreciating and bachachira. I was like ninyentura ngweje jire. So somehow nimba utachigamba munonga hati abo kwancendo abantu barebe chagiro mu system bare chiro ntibaho, but I'm thinking about it.
Chayangaza waramutiza kutekanisa ntubasa kufuna igihe twakuchukora. I know.
Yes, we have ways. Actually, we have like 3 ways so far.
Chayanga.
Exactly.
Eya kampara bya yanga.
Yes, kampara na hino.
Jenda university.
You know right.
Asenka cheka yaba.
University kera yanga. Twafuna hadi tomorrow twakora corporate show.
You know right.
Hadi kera yanga. Twarumba ajip.
Yes.
Talking about abantu kakaga adit nestamisa abantu 10,000 university astamisa mutwaro. Why not?
Muhumure abo kuba plans are up, but still atiriyo system. Tutwaka muhire matsiko abo kuba center zine okora show na kumanya na manya kora publicity, so no worries.
Okay, reka tutagize turebe mukama cyone cyarabatebekanisize nje turabase kuba ino ano tugena na cyane nansi jakamese jaja ati Sister Charity abana baba of course twataranje bakumanga twin so njya nicyo yakutegeze ko reba yaja Sister Charity mugamba yebare kukuma omutindo yasimye
asi ina wimba wayimanga ari ku show ana kutera muka kesho ngorako aina kesho ngusima kasigazi kije kajwire rwaga ati madamu kare ni kushaba karavu oryo audience stamire orhonore omuchikwajwire omureba omurugaho janze why
relating any cheshongo
kambira sara presa na musikazari amweta Star Brian Master na we ajang he's watching us ngo kintu nije yabaromojo wanje
yabari twakuramseni yabari munonga kunda program Sister Charity musically events zibaho ogomwaka you as a legend, as someone who has been in the game music gwitu noreba how far tutatwemerire nka percentage
natwosya naza kuba sincere abo ko ebirere rugahonda be onturgo mu gihe cy'inzu zo mu gihe turgo DJ tuzo MC tuzo noreba we are growing at the same pace. Somehow only that abamotchine mako kubura muka confidence kugira hona hata nashabe chikumi hona nashabe biri mbakuzireta hona audience yanjene haso somehow chine mwako konka at least nani ngamba tur above 50 turi above average at least kani nyebaza abana bongire mamani. Shukran, thank you very much. Abeshongoza bizire mukatera nko kucemerire and we thank you very much. Ekintu cyo twabire nitwenda ubutwabe ntandika music yori nyankore kugira ngo buri amwakikirize ngo umuntu nabasa kweshongora muri nyankore nabasa composing eshongora muri nyankore kibonere nabasa kugamba abantu bamuhurure aquatensi yono in one or another when hatinya hushitami I'm very much happy kugira ngo at least harumwe umururo kandi twahamizaha ntuza kugenda jina ngo nabahagize nabo batandikire
kwikira
speaking
bari mnonga obwiro bunyo hati nkaba DJ nkanda bamenya I'm telling the truth. Konka hati ni kujanto guna rhythm selector ni kujanto guna so abashi mwebali
tugamba haha show wagamba kugira ngo omuro no mangate bero abeshongozi abatari n'abanyankoti na eshongore cyeshongore yate kamuna karayi nkoro nyankoti so that means they are also appreciating our craft kunuye
yes
regardless of the language
hati nangwana nabandi bariyo mbasha bangu bakore collaborations nito yes
chamani
nito chini ibisi abo kwantite nyotinga yebehera ibisi nchirgine ahabo kwanta karebere music yo nyankore na hikahari akatungutunga kundu kwenda tena kubenye nangu tarake kujwanga storo though nichikuretera wakwata na parts ezindi omuringo gumeningo gundi ninteka teka ngu orunyankore turiyo nturwihaha level nuturtahandijo rubasa kuborwa kabiri sofa omuyihangalitse ya Uganda twakurasaha aha Uganda ricebe mbire twange twikirize but runyankore is doing now far better.
So mkoke legend chinavoka wachigambireho last time I hosted you konka buliza ntfuna aba viewers basya umuntu okwe na soko ari okwe na yebuza ahabwenchi Sister Charity ebirota chi releasing music like she used to is it because I never shongoro bintu nonga is it because nkoko wakigamba ngo you know watching abana abo banze barabya hechabo because you have fans abakwamba expecting something from
I'm not just watching I'm also analyzing
that is a beautiful line.
I'm also analyzing ati nora pese yitu abentu eshongorera ho mukutandika ekeriye kugira ngo abantu bapatire music bamenye ngo nyankorero kutwaratandire twashikasamu hoya abandi barwakira hati cyarte nubuna kwanteshongira satisfied abo kuba hari yogu hari abariyo nibija hine byeshongore bikura biryaha murembe so hati nanye nashitama nkareba nkajantiko nkamushyu wanje ntaho yiwashika ntujwanzi yamakeshongoro kembaga ngora kwateje you know wabare nyo hati nimbani brand comfortable yo mu comfort zone wansho hozo banderera niyo yeshonga bwenci njenzire nincendeza apese deno hire hecho nabwe ko kushika handa hache utanha responsibilities nyinji oinaha hariyo so noza kushanga we divide our money somehow no kwatara so no hika o shirinkinga mukache akasente kawujira hande yiwaka abo kwa nabukuru nero muneyisha waba investing somehow nchanchi manyisangu okweshongora nukuza kushika kukome shange cyari tatatuguruka stage and when actually ebindi bine kwambi supporting so nanoko nteza twatayo konka ntiryo mweshongozi ndeba onyetegereza
no kwa surprise
wabachi
akateretse omuntu
mbe munitse
akatera ndabanti nkunda mako no yesigire no arakuita
era webare Iceman abo kwamba ntabampa promoting rumu nakachena kahango ruyare no kihira mutuma I salute you, thank you very much ahabo kuba ahojerira hanimba nimbreba
Iceman nebesho na direction
yechenyine
chibuzo cyo kwenda kubuza iwe kadije cyo kwenda kubuza Sister Charity ninga you can as well appreciate turukende Iceman babatinde ba DJ babatinde
kumba mweta Sheriyo ariyo murkata yagira ngo ariyo not watching
okay Sheriyo kurgakata etene app yitene unje bakweta the new vision digital experience app abantu nabandi bebuza mukashaba kata dikodezo zone zika yoza just ineka app akarunji the new vision digital experience app ka downloading kugira ngo ni mama muri yoko numugira vano mukore mirumo yanyu mugobe muteko program zitastars
okonjira irakali
ya sala wera
okonjira irakali alisani abantu akozomo mugwamani Sheilo Jonas Pro ine timu mpange lyaho
ariyo Eve
aruhoba nabasadorini aruhoba cyo butungi Sheila aruho Amara n'abandi abone bakwata abantu abeshongozi bitu bakabashoboza heru
babantwire by the way
wow.
Thank you ladies and gentlemen
legend ya fema mtu
so ati next year nanye nimnyenda planning aje kanye nza kwaza Dubai kenda ke Dubai direct ngende kata
konka nabo bakumeka kwate n'aba DJ
kandi
step by step nabeshe ngo sikata kumamba kwikata imaba western Uganda baze konka mpora reka tushereze akije so Sister Charity aturukendera nishaba obugambo bwa mheru bokereza abari ba TV West na mnonga abantu abali on industry to ya Ugandan Western music.
Patra UG, thank you very much.
Kuruwaraga so tagambera maharawaru ka
Yeah, Patra
pente tine cyo kumugambira
Patra UG, Sebo Ruben, amuna na wa Christine Salon, musapoti njire mnonga, thank you very much. Amazima garungu banyankore mwe. Abagambe ndi muzitu, the 4R, thank you very much. Abo kwechi twabentwenda uriyo no mukikora. Uriyo n'umutwiho mu rurengo n'umutaharundi. Abana bagire Kampala bakora je ndebere show ya mnywani wanje Peace cha Mukongere yo ebe yijwire na nabando kumizira no mbatebekanisa, thank you very much. Kandi nimba manyisango hata nibwo twatandika tutiro muhimbo ntuza kuchikora tuchikorere kimwe itwe nkabara agenda tukiryaho kubasa kusupportinga abarabe baruho ahasigara mwebari abareba TV West. I wish you the best. Sister Charity nukwe nashendera.
Okay, Sister Charity as I'm following social media platforms mo subscribing ya YouTube sound za kwatire yaho TikTok ba challenges
Sister Charity official is my YouTube channel ya.
Then TikTok
Sister Charity.
Okay.
Yes.
Kaya nukokwe. Reka tubase kwantu basiburana programs nyingi eziriyo nizisha tunakora nyenka nakora na ikichunchu cha Ankole Shukran MC. Sibura abantu.
Mwenu murareje ntubakunda munonga ekikunto twatura ayito asaburamu mwatureka ibyatambura mwatusima konka na muno ba sponsors bito mbahagire mwabahajani ba automatically mwatagira kandi uramukago nyabura nimbeta mujitagire ki
tipo ya investe in yes nza kwashtamyaho misho
muje tumahagire wara tipo ya agenda automatically yargayo ntayinondisho.
Okay. Kale nuko kambateka makasentero bano bitu aba Skylight Hotels omurembo rwamba hamwe na hali ya Umaru Konjiri and not forgetting Dubai P&C Warehouse Makaning Street omurembo rwamba hamwe na bano bitu nubabo aba Skylight rukunjiri nanaja mutinka abagambiro rukunjiri aho opposite na park then omulimba wano shuma katete aho mu rugazi iro kwa sekwano ifunira ka steam na sauna binemere nunji binebara binobraro burunji ample parking space katubendeze birunji byonka tutakora twenka kamera twatineho Uncle Emmy webari munonge cyakwane chamani mu control room shout out to Amon hamwe na Evan Z cyumakwane cyinshurunje munonga hamwe na producer witu Wycliffe Ramtoro. Sister Charity, pleasure having you on the show.
Wycliffe, thank you for calling me.
Okay.
Ibendeze birunji byonka.